Hello, doctors. We're excited to introduce ClinicRoom Medical Scribe, the most affordable AI scribe designed specifically for GPs in Australia. There are two simple ways to access the scribe. First, search for ClinicRoom on Google. Click on the ClinicRoom education platform and select the Scribe button. Second, search for ClinicRoom Scribe or ClinicRoom AI on Google. This will take you directly to the Scribe platform. Both platforms are fully linked and give you access to the latest patient care guidelines. They use single sign-on, so you only need one username and password. When you register, you receive 3 weeks of full access completely free, including both the scribe and all education notes with CPD program. Once signed in, click Start Session. When you're ready to begin the consult, press Start Listening. At the end of the consult, press Stop Listening, then Generate Scribe. Your note will be ready within seconds. The scribe is designed specifically for GPs by a team of GPs in Australia and supports the generation of GP chronic disease management plans and GP mental health care plans during consultations. After 3 minutes into the consult, the care plan buttons become active. Click the relevant button to generate a care plan based on your discussion. If needed, you can manually add medical conditions that were not mentioned. All care plans generated are Medicare compliant for 965 billing, including mental health care plans. To transfer notes into Best Practice or Medical Director, simply copy and paste. Full integration is coming soon. All consults are automatically saved with date and time. You can view and copy notes from the dashboard, and a tick mark appears once copied to help you track progress. Notes can also be deleted if needed. If you prefer not to use an external microphone, a more accurate and convenient option is your phone. Search for ClinicRoom Scribe in your App Store and download the app. Log in with the same username and password. It syncs automatically with the web version. Press Start Consult on your phone to begin. When finished, press Stop, then Generate Scribe. Refresh the web page, and your note will appear instantly, ready to copy and paste. Using your phone is especially helpful in treatment rooms, nursing homes, or when bringing in a patient. We hope you enjoy using ClinicRoom Medical Scribe. Thank you.